Kena pantang ke time breastfeeding? Girl, live a little lah. Hi parents, let's check this together. Patient I tak makan telur, dairy, makanan pedas. Semua benda ni time breastfeeding mereka tak makan sebab takut baby naik ruam. Betul ke kena macam ni? Okay, most of the time, no. Your body filters breast milk. Bukannya direct transfer dari pinggan ke baby. Makan sambal, jadi angin? No. Makan kacang, baby gassy? No. Durian, pantang. Girl, live a little lah. But if baby ada blood in stool, severe eczema or nangis non-stop after feeding, then yes, maybe ada allergy. Confirmkan with your peds tau. Bukan TikTok. One exception, G6PD deficiency babies kena avoid certain foods like fava beans sebab dia boleh trigger serious reaction. Always check with your doctor jika your baby ada masalah G6PD deficiency. So, unless ada medical reason, you don't have to torture yourself, okay? Eat balanced, stay hydrated, jaga mental health. A happy mama, a thriving baby.